In this video, I am going to talk about another free certification courses, and this free certification courses is on Python language. This course is offered by Government of India, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, ISRO. So let's talk about these courses. Here you can see this course will start on January 18th to January 29, 2021. So here you can see two options. The second one is course brochure. So when you click here, then here you will get this PDF. And in this PDF, you can see that who are target participants for this course. The candidates who want to participate in the course should be a student of final year undergraduate course or postgraduate course any year, technical science staff of central or state government faculty researcher at university institution are also eligible to apply for this course. Applications of participants have to be duly sponsored by university institute and forwarded through coordinates. And the second one is that course fee. There is no course fee for attending this program. That means it is totally free. And the third important thing is that award of certificate. So working professionals and students, based on their 70% attendance and 40% in the online examination, so on the base of this, they'll get their free certificate from this course. Okay, now if we go back again this tab, and here we can find another option. It is online registration form. So to participate in these free courses, you need to click over there, online registration form. So when you click here, then here you will get this simple registration form. Here you need to write down your full name, your mail address, and you need to type your password. Thereafter here you will get one captcha. You just need to simply fill up this box with this captcha. Then you need to click here register. When you click register, then you are almost done. Then you'll be able to participate or attend these free courses program on January 18th. So I hope you will get benefited from these free courses. So check the video description to get the link of this free course.